want the front to be sticking out.
Okay. I don't want to sagad there. And it's 11. What's your time, Kuya?
It's 11:15.
This is 11:15. Wow. 11:15. We're back. And turn left.
Arrive at your destination.
Say hello to Minnesota. Everyone's trying to go to Ikea. Ikea. There's the Ikea. Okay. This is Daddy. Then what are you doing?
Dancing cha-cha.
Heist. Dito ang pagkain. Okay. Someone is hungry. Iprito ka. Weird. Okay. For different kind, there's lamb, there's beef, there's shrimp, and I don't know what's the other one. And she got an ay. Yan na yung in-order niya. Nilagay na sa isang lalagyan. Hindi na pinagminsanan.
Because I asked for this, you asked for that later.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Pakibukas.
Saka paano minsan dyan, bakit nakakasya dyan?
Sabagay.
But don't see, get the chairs.
And we
Wait,
have...
mine. That's mine.
No.
I-try mo lang ng kaunti, Daddy. Sige na. And they have like dried onion and fresh onion. And they call this one... what called? Pesto? Pesto?
It's like a smoked fish. You like it?
Smoked fish? Of course, yan pa. Look how it looks like.
Ito, egg. Get yours too. Those
How is it, Daddy?
lamb and beef. That's the beef.
Ito, lalagyan pa ng corn. I wanna see.
That's the lamb.
That's the pestar that we... And Jasmine bought sandwiches. The hot dog is flying. And Dad has a... What is that? Baba, handali, handali. Ano yan? Oh.
Shrimp and egg.
Can I
No,
get
that's fine. Oh, lingon berry drink. Sinasarahan ko kasi baka alam nila kinukuhanan ko sila. O Daddy, dito ka dito sa may con. This one is actually what is it, Daddy? It's salmon, but it's dry salmon, so you can...
Smoke.
Oh.
What do you mean dry? That's not
Smoked
dry.
salmon. Good. How is your good hot dog over there, Papa Oats?
It's good.
How about you, Kuya? What is that you have? Oh, the lamb. How is it? Mm. How about you, Daddy? Where is your shrimp?
Egg and shrimp.
Can I have one of the shrimp?
Yun.
Subo sa akin. I wanna see how it tastes. Is that from here?
Nahulog.
Saan nahulog? Talagang kinakain ko nahuhulog ah. Wow. Saan nahulog yan?
Wait ko.
Oh, wow. Something different. See?
So, ayaw mo ng beef?
Gusto ko. This one is beef. Sounds delish. And how it was made. I like it. Ooh, Daddy. Ah. Ewan ko. Kung kaya ito ng ice cream.
Nakaupo sa doon.
Alin siya nakaupo. Sitting down there.
You still have the coin?
What coin?
The coin is for that, so it dispenses your ice cream.
Oh.
So you cannot go back and forth.
Ito pala ang pambayad sa ice cream. Oh, wow.
You will just eat it and keep refilling it without eating it.
Oh, ganun pala to. You have to like pay and so you can get your ice cream. That's how they can control. Because it's not, yeah, wow. Good to know. Sabi ko, remembrance ko na. Yun pala, pambayad. So funny, folks. So funny.
Ilagay mo muna pala bago mo. Ilagay mo muna ito. Saka may kung yung coin.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
Hati kayo ni Josh. There's two, cherry flavor and the other one is rice. I think. I don't know. We'll see.
So you can choose what flavor you want.
This is chocolate. Hati kayo ni Daddy.
So there's a chocolate, there's strawberry.
Pareho
there's
lang sa
banana.
atin.
Okay.
Pero ang special kasi ang itsura. Yung hotdog hindi ko natikman. You hold that one. You hold this one. Hawakan mo yan. Ay nako. Kinain na yung hotdog, hindi nag-share. Sinulo. Sabi kunin ng isa para ma-share lahat. Naka-sandwich si Kuya. What's in there? Oh, they have everything. What did you say?
This is the softest donut I've ever had.
Oh, softest donut you ever
Yung
had.
flavor ilalagay natin to.
Siya daw ang kukuha.
Ilagay mo muna yan, then put the coins.
What's the difference?
The same.
Soft
flavor.
daw. Soft daw sabi niya. May hingi siya ng tubig. You're gonna try? Which one are you trying?
Is that strawberry?
So you have to drop it
Oh,
first?
I'm gonna get strawberry.
Are you dropping it first? Daddy, you have to drop
No,
it
watch
first?
the kids.
Okay. Put the money and the coin and then press and it's gonna do it for you. Whoa. That's it.
Pretty cool.
I don't know.
Tawag na. Beautiful man.
We bought more because we wanna try ice cream. So it says MAC. This is the vegan. Oh, you have chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, you have chocolate. Me too. I really like the vegan hot dog. So our experience in Ikea in Iceland in Reykjavik. You learn something that you have to put this IKEA coin so you can get your sundae. So we're going to put gas in Costco again after we eat at IKEA. We had fun because we met few Filipinos down there. And busy, of course, anywhere in the world, Costco gas is always busy. Same with Sam's Club. And IKEA is just right there. It is 4:03 p.m. So we put gas.
Just the baboy. Sa baboy ka pupunta?
Oh.
Lang ka mag-upita dyan. May bubagat yung sister, diba?
Oh, this is the baboy. Oh, Asto, Atla, Berto, Olofo. And I have Imbani, Rini. I like it. Oh, bili na. Vina. Second time here in Bonus. We're gonna buy rice. Wala na delay yung yummy chicken na yan. Look at this rice, $7.29. And this rice that we're buying is that one. It's this one. It is, I don't know how many pounds. Like, oh, 1 kilo. 1 kilo. Baba Oten said she liked this. And Doritos were $2.78. Surely nga. Nababoy. Okay. This one we found. And it is worth.
Susunod.
Meron naman silang Schulinger. And it is worth $12.19. They also have that lamp. It's $14.19.